When considering replacement windows for your canyon home, it's easy to overlook two of the most important features: safety and security. Here's how windows make an impact. If you have any windows that are tricky to operate, whether hard to open or close, it's time for replacement windows. While you don't want to make it easier for an intruder, you definitely don't want to be trapped inside in the event of an emergency. In addition, if you can't close your windows correctly, you may not be able to lock them. The best replacement windows are also hard to break. Most modern models come with 2 or more panes, which are significantly harder to bust through than the traditional single-pane windows from years ago. You can also choose tempered or laminated glass for increased durability and resistance to breaking. Selecting replacement windows with multi-point locking systems can also increase your security and peace of mind. These systems are also beneficial in homes with small children, as the windows will be harder for them to access. At Amarillo Solar Shade, we deliver premium quality vinyl replacement windows to Randall County. Call us today if you're ready to enhance your home's safety and security.